Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Hycroft Mining, ticker symbol HYMC. And so I just wanted to do a brief update on the chart because it has been doing some pretty bullish things, in my opinion. I had previously expected this low of $1.63 following the reverse split to be retested, especially following this uptrending consolidation. I thought that'd break to the downside. But within that consolidation, we did see these downtrending channels, which broke both times to the upside, especially on this one when we broke above this downtrending red line and this orange line at $2.19. Which below that there had been a lot of consolidation that we can see in the volume profile here, suggesting that $2.19, while it was significant resistance before, that resistance, the consolidation below that level, is now going to be acting as support with price at $2.39 as of the close on Friday, January 12th. And so looking forward into the weeks ahead, starting with tomorrow, January 16th, where do I see price going? And so looking at the chart, basically one thing that stands out to me, which might be hand wavy, it might be a little bit of hopium, is that, I see this little dip here, could be a left shoulder, and then this broad head here. And maybe we are in the midst of forming a right shoulder of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. And so if we take a measurement from the peak here of this, the tail of that candle there, measure up to the neckline, we get a move of about $1. And so if I take that from the neckline, basically where this neckline crosses this blue line, which was the previous gap that was filled on December 28th. And so if I take that measurement from that line, which is right around $3, you could guess where that goes to. And that actually goes to $4, which is where I had meant this purple line to be, but I guess it got screwed up. So I'm just going to adjust that there. And yeah, just being a psychological level, $4, that seems pretty compelling, pretty convincing to me if this inverse head and shoulders pattern is to play out. It is quite possible that it doesn't. However, kind of complementary to that inverse head and shoulders pattern is the potential for this to be a cup here, and this bull flag pattern, this downward consolidation that looks like we're seeing, that to be the handle, so this to be the cup and handle formation. And if that were to break above what I see as this downtrending level of resistance here, that could potentially be pretty significant for the stock to be making upward moves, especially if it is to break above and hold $3 a share. Then I would see that this neckline could then be acting as support, and there to be a continuation to higher, like to $4 a share. But I should also note there is possibility that this does break down, but I don't really see anything too significant standing out that could suggest a breakdown other than this kind of long-standing level of support based on these two pivot points going back to March 10th of 2023. And so, if we do break below this level, if we do basically, the low on January 4th was $2.30. I would say if we broke down below $2.30, maybe $2.20, or like $2.19 here, this orange line, I think that could be bad for the stock, and then it could be revisiting $2.90, these levels that it was consolidating at before. But generally, I do see that there are a lot of bullish signs lining up. And so I am a converted bear. I am now a bull, or converted from being a bear following the reverse split, because I did expect some downside after that. And we didn't see it. We've only seen strength. And one thing on the note of strength that I want to point out is from their Twitter page. You can also look this up on their website. They recently announced that they have some more drilling results and that they found more high-grade silver. And so what I see with this stock, with the company, is that while I have perceived them as a gold mining company, really a lot of what they're finding is very high grade silver. And, in all honesty, I've been a little bit disappointed by the quality of the gold that they're finding. But there seems to be a lot of promise with the silver, and there's also a lot of industrial applications for silver, and there's also more drilling to do. So I'm sure that they will be finding some higher grade gold, but if not, the high grade silver that they're finding is pretty exceptional. If you look at the numbers, it is extremely high grade in some areas. So I find that to be very compelling, and I look forward to seeing more results, such as finding some very high quality, high grade gold. But yeah, so looking at the chart and thinking about that in the weeks ahead, I definitely think that this downtrending level is going to be one that's key to break above and then hold above 3, possibly claiming this neckline as support and then moving up to 4. So a lot of great things for Hycroft in the weeks and months ahead. I'm excited, and if you are too, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.